In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem gift card in Duolingo Plus. By the end, your Super Duolingo membership should be active and ready to use. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser works fine, like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Make sure your internet connection is stable because if the page stalls while you redeem, the code might appear to fail even though nothing actually happened yet. Once your browser is open, go to duolingo.com/redeem. Type it carefully into the address bar at the top, not into a search box. When the page loads, you should see the Duolingo logo and a simple page focused on entering a code, not the usual learning dashboard. If you land on the normal homepage instead, check the link and try again. Now, sign in to your Duolingo account. Use the same account where you want the Super Duolingo to be applied. You can log in with your email and password or with the method you normally use, such as Google or Apple. After you sign in, you will still be on the redeem page, but now your name or profile icon should appear at the top, confirming that the code will attach to this account. With that ready, enter your gift card or promo code. Look at the card or email and type the characters exactly as shown. Many codes use both letters and numbers, so double-check things like the letter O versus 0. There is usually a single text box on this page, and as soon as you finish typing, the code should fill the entire box. Take a moment to confirm there are no extra spaces before or after the code, because those can cause an error. Next up, click Redeem. This button should be right below the code box. Once you click it, the page will process your request for a moment. If the code is valid and unused, the page will move forward without asking you for any payment details, since the gift card itself covers the subscription time. After that, wait for the confirmation message. You might see a short loading animation, then a message that your Super Duolingo membership has been activated. Often, the message is highlighted near the top or center of the page, and it may mention how long your subscription will last. If there is an error instead, read the exact wording, since it usually tells you whether the code was typed incorrectly or already used. At this point, verify that Super Duolingo, sometimes still called Duolingo Plus, is active on your account. Go to your Duolingo home area and look for the super icon, usually a shiny or colorful Duo owl, and you should no longer see ads between lessons. You may also see features like unlimited hearts or extra practice options unlocked immediately, since these apply the moment the code is accepted, without any extra steps. So now you have successfully redeemed a Duolingo Plus gift card and turned your regular Duolingo account into Super Duolingo. If this helped you get your Plus time working, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Duolingo tips.